apologize to me.
Oh, look, it's the idiot. The one who's probably gonna be eliminated.
You take that back.
Oh, trust me, I wouldn't.
Oh,
Elimination time! Today we received 2 votes. The first one safe is Cherry with 0 votes.
yay! Don't I get a prize?
Actually, no, sorry, you don't get prizes.
Oh, okay.
Also safe are Gray Pencil, Dough, and Popcorn with 0 votes. And actually, you know what? Here, all of you just have macaroni and cheese.
Oh, ow!
Oh, oh, Portugal. Now it's down to Key and Blue Ball, who will be eliminated. Let's see. And with 2 votes, Key is eliminated. What? And Blue Ball is safe with 0 votes. And you're bye-bye. It's time for the 3rd challenge. I couldn't come up with a good challenge, so just make me food. 3, 2, 1, go!
Blue Ball, what's wrong?
We're running out of budget!
I'll just try to make something.
I just made you a sandwich. Huh? Ho! I couldn't find anything to make you. Well, you're up for elimination. Vote someone to be eliminated from Team Milky Way. The reason why they're up for elimination because they didn't give me. Don't forget to use brackets. Voting ends on September 10th. You know, it would be a little better if it wasn't so cold in here.